Hello everyone, today we're previewing Ubuntu 26.04 LTS Resolute Raccoon, launching in April 23, 2026 with major changes. From GNOME 50 to Rust-based core components and memory safety upgrades, this isn't just another LTS, but is it worth the upgrade? Let's break it down. You'll get 5 years of standard support until 2031, with optional Ubuntu Pro extending to 12 years total until 2036. Pro is free for personal use on up to 5 machines. GNOME 50 arrives with the latest desktop environment improvements scheduled for March 2026. Rust-based system components replace traditional C++ code for enhanced memory safety, including sudo-rs implementation of sudo with fallback options. x86-64 v3 CPU optimization provides performance improvements for newer processors past 2013, though older hardware remains supported. TPM-backed full disk encryption expands security for modern systems. So what's new for users? Showtime replaces Totem as the default video player, offering a more modern GNOME native experience. Resources replaces GNOME System Monitor with superior accessibility support and streamlined hardware monitoring. Wayland remains default with improved NVIDIA hardware support and smoother performance. The release maintains Ubuntu's tradition of shipping the very latest Linux kernel and updated graphics drivers available at launch time. Here's what makes the LTS special. Canonical's aggressive adoption of Rust isn't just a technical tweak, it's a strategic move to rewrite the rules of OS security. For years, memory-related vulnerabilities in C++ have been the bread and butter of exploit developers. Ubuntu 26.04 adopts Rust-based components for enhanced memory safety and resilience, fundamentally changing how system security works. So who should upgrade? Users on Ubuntu 25.10 can upgrade right away. Those wanting cutting-edge GNOME 50 experience, security-conscious users prioritizing memory-safe systems, and modern hardware owners benefiting from x86-64 v3 optimization. For those who can wait for 26.04.1 in August 2026, will be users on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS for additional stability, enterprise deployments requiring bug-free releases, and mission-critical systems needing proven stability. If you have a newer CPU, you can switch to the V3 variants of packages and should see some performance improvements. The V3 variant won't be default, so older machines aren't affected negatively. Ubuntu 26.04 represents a fundamental shift in how operating systems are built, a shift driven by security, stability, and the rising star of Rust. This isn't just Ubuntu modernizing, it's setting the standard for memory-safe system architecture that other distributions will follow. The final verdict? Ubuntu 26.04 Resolute Raccoon is absolutely worth it. Whether you're a home user, developer, or enterprise deployment, this LTS brings meaningful improvements to security, performance, and user experience. The Rust migration alone justifies this upgrade for security-conscious users. It's highly recommended when it drops April 23, 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.